The thoracic duct originates in the abdomen at the level of T12 vertebra. It emerges from the cisterna chyli, which is placed in front of the L1 and L2 vertebral bodies. The thoracic duct enters the thorax ascending through aortic hiatus, being bounded anteriorly by the median arcuate ligament. At this level, the descending aorta is placed to its left, and the azygos vein is placed to its right. In the thorax ascends in the posterior mediastinum, to the right of midline, on the front of vertebral bodies. While it ascends, passes in front of the hemiazygos vein, accessory hemiazygos vein, and right posterior intercostal arteries. On reaching the T5 vertebra, it crosses the midline from right to left side and enters the superior mediastinum to run along the left border of the esophagus and reaches the root of the neck. At the root of the neck, it arches laterally at the level of C7 vertebra, behind the left common carotid artery, left internal jugular vein, and left vagus nerve. Finally, the duct terminates by opening into the junction of the left subclavian and left internal jugular veins. Close to its termination, the thoracic duct receives three main tributaries: the left jugular trunk, the left subclavian trunk, and the left bronchomediastinal trunk. The thoracic duct has a length of about 38 to 45 centimeters, a mean diameter of 5 millimeters, and transports about 4 liters of lymph per day. The thoracic duct collects lymph from the left side of head and neck, left arm, left half of thorax, and from the whole abdomen and lower limbs.